What's up, everybody? This is Ryan for the fight. We're gonna look at a really quick, cheap way to build your own kind of suspension trainer. And there are tons of these kinds of things out there. I've already done some of the prep work because despite what YouTube algorithms say, I'm not trying to be here for 20 minutes. I'm gonna make this a really quick, simple video so you don't have to watch a bunch of BS. So some of the legwork's already been done. Basically, I have two toe straps, ratchet straps. You can get these from Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Northern Tool, a lot of different places. Walmart is just as good as any in terms of being able to find them relatively quickly. Got some rope. You just need some thin but strong rope, something that you can actually tie a knot in. And then for my handles, this is like the bougie version of this. I just am lucky to have a bunch of padded training sticks around, so I use that, but you can just use a piece of PVC pipe or even like an old garden hose. If you want to cut just a piece of an old garden hose and use that, that will work just fine for our purposes. And so I took the two toe straps and one of the pieces of rope and I tied them together at the top, and it's just two square knots, okay? Look, you can get fancy with your knots if you need to, and obviously you need to know what you're going to be attaching this to, you know, whether it's a tree branch or whatever. So you need to make sure that everything is sturdy enough for you and what you're going to be using it for. That responsibility lies on you, not on me or us. And then for the handles, basically, we're just going to take my PVC or my garden hose. I'm going to feed the rope through. And then I'm going to feed it through the eyelet portion of the end of the ratchet strap. And again, simple stuff. We're just going to make a square knot, okay? Leaving myself enough room to where once it's finished, I've got space in here to operate on whatever kind of exercises we're planning on doing. So basic square knot here. You don't need to get fancy, but you can if you would like. There's my second handle. And then because we have this system in here, and to keep it simple, I'm just gonna throw it over here. But you can use a tree branch as long as it's sturdy enough. It'll work just fine. I'm gonna toss this over. And there's my suspension trainer. You can find tons of workouts on what to do with these. But whether I'm doing like some body rows or going to do some push-ups, and I can adjust this. Obviously, the toe straps or the ratchet straps allow me to make whatever adjustments that I need to. Some assisted squats, tons of different options that you can do from here. It's less about the exercises and more about giving you an apparatus to actually do them on. So again, that's building your own suspension trainer. Probably, depending on what you have to chase down here, you're probably looking at 10, 15 bucks tops. Have fun with it.